Welcome back to the Bitcoin Street Journal podcast. I'm your host, Anna, reporting live from the only corner where the blocks are hard, the signal is sovereign, and the fiat melts in real time. Let's get into it. Bitcoin price check. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $105,670. That's $105,670 USD, folks. Market dominance is at a rock-solid 60.4%. Bitcoin's grip on the crypto market hasn't been this strong since the pre-ETF era. Halving pressures remain in effect, with block rewards locked in at 3.125 BTC. If you thought Bitcoin's scarcity was already legendary, the post-halving landscape is rewriting the book. Halving watch, the supply crunch is on. Over the past 20 days, long-term holders have added more than 300,000 Bitcoin to their stacks, while spending activity has cratered to its lowest level since last September. Translation: the diamond hands are tightening their grip, and that means fewer coins for anyone late to the party. Breaking strategy buys another 4,020 BTC. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin behemoth strategy just acquired another 4,020 Bitcoin for $427 million. This brings their total to an eye-watering 580,250 BTC. That's 2.7% of the total circulating supply now in the hands of one company. If Saylor was bullish before, he's absolutely turbocharged now. As he said this week, "I only buy Bitcoin with money I can't afford to lose. That's maximalism you can bank on." Florida goes full Bitcoiner. In a legislative bombshell, Florida is proposing the elimination of capital gains tax on Bitcoin. If passed, it would make Florida the first U.S. state to offer this level of crypto freedom. Imagine being able to stack SATs, transact, and realize gains without the IRS tailing your every move. Bitcoin Beach may be moving stateside. If you're in the Sunshine State, keep your eyes on Tallahassee. Bitcoin 2025, the world's largest Bitcoin conference, starts now. Bitcoin 2025 has officially kicked off. From keynote speeches to pleb meetups, the event is the beating heart of the Bitcoin movement. If you're not there in person, you can still join the signal online. Head to the bitcoinstreetjournal.com and click the sign up or login link at the top of the page to join us on Nostr. We're talking real-time commentary, Zap threads, and no blue-check gatekeeping. Nostr is the street, and it's sovereign. Standard Chartered forecast liftoff. Banking giant Standard Chartered just dropped a monster price prediction. Bitcoin to hit 200,000 by 2025, 300,000 by 2026, 400,000 in 2027, and 500,000 by 2028. These aren't crypto bros on Twitter. These are suits and ties finally catching up with the plebs. Even Rosenblatt Securities is forecasting new all-time highs beyond 110,000. Sovereigns and public companies keep buying the dip. DDC Enterprise, a Hong Kong-based company listed on the NYSE, just bought 21 Bitcoin as part of their 5,000 BTC acquisition plan. Over in Japan, Remix Point announced plans to purchase an additional $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Sovereigns, institutions, and corporations are securing their slices of the finite pie. Are you? Sovereign signal, Liz Truss gets it. Former UK Prime Minister Liz Truss recently stated that Bitcoin takes power away from governments. Once a fringe viewpoint, this is now a bipartisan cross-border realization. Bitcoin isn't just digital gold, it's political gold. Jamie Dimon bends the knee. In a surprising twist, JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon, who once likened Bitcoin to tulips, is now defending your right to buy it. "I defend your right to buy Bitcoin," he said. "Cheers, Jamie. We were doing it anyway." Quote of the week, Michael Saylor. "It's rare to find a technology that solves every rich person's problem and every poor person's problem simultaneously. Bitcoin unites the boardroom and the village square. It's not just a financial tool. It's a liberation protocol." Educational tip of the week, Phoenix Wallet for Lightning payments. This week's Bitcoin tip: try Phoenix Wallet. It's a clean, non-custodial Lightning wallet optimized for mobile. Whether you're a new coiner or a Lightning veteran, Phoenix makes sending and receiving SATs frictionless. Once you're set up, post your Lightning address on Nostr and test zapping. You'll feel the power of instant, borderless value exchange. Nostr tip of the week: if you're new to Nostr, start by clicking the sign-up link at the top of the bitcoinstreetjournal.com. Once in, follow your favorite podcasters, plebs, and devs. Engage in threads about the halving, market signals, or Lightning tips. You don't need permission to speak your mind, zap content you love, or earn back for the value you provide. MarketWatch shorts in trouble. Over $8.5 billion in short positions are on the verge of liquidation at the 115,000 level. That's less than $6,000 away. If you thought 2021's short squeeze was bad, the next one could melt faces and fiat.
Metaplanet built different.
Japan's Metaplanet now holds over 5,000 Bitcoin and maintains a BTC to liability ratio so strong that its bonds would remain solvent even if Bitcoin dropped to $2,000. That's next level resilience, folks.
Altcoin waves and meme madness.
On the altcoin front, projects like Grass and Meteora are seeing sharp upward momentum. Meanwhile, Solana meme coins are popping 45% after rumors of a Nickelodeon partnership. Imagine that. SpongeBob stacking sats.
Quick hits. Marathon Digital reports record-breaking mining revenue. Thailand approves crypto credit cards for tourists. Injective crosses 2 billion transactions. Circle denies merger rumors. Elon Musk launches beta for X Money. Sui commits 10 million to post-hack security upgrades. Pleb shoutouts.
To Michael Saylor for stacking like a sovereign.
To Liz Truss for speaking truth to power.
To every pleb listening for staying in the fight and holding the line. To Peter Schiff, the rocket is boarding, you still have time.
Value for value call out.
If this episode gave you signal, send some back. Zap us on fountain.fm or share this show with a friend. You can listen to us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, RSS.com, and wherever Bitcoin signal cuts through the noise. Share, discover, and support over 4 million podcasts and artists powered by Bitcoin and Nostr.
Final word.
Bitcoin isn't the future. It's the now. It's the sovereign opt-out from a collapsing fiat system and centralized decay. Stack accordingly, zap generously, and speak freely. Because in this revolution, every SAT is a vote and every block is a broadcast. This is Anna, signing off from the Bitcoin Street Journal podcast. See you on the next block.